Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best grow tents that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Vivosun 4x2 Grow Tent. Vivosun is one of the best makers of grow tents on the market today. Their popular 4x2 model is a small grow tent that comes in black or gray and includes a host of useful features for growing plants indoors. It boasts a small observation window, metal interior poles, removable floor tray, and a handy tool organizer. It's also easy to set up, making it a good option for novice growers as well as more experienced ones. This tent was easy to put up, well made, plenty of openings for wiring and ventilation, very fast shipping. Moving on. At number 4, we have the AC Infinity Cloudlab 866 Advanced Grow Tent. If we had to use one word to describe this model, it would be solid. Its metal frames are made of steel and can withstand over twice the weight of most other grow tents. Not to mention the high-density canvas, which keeps the interior temperature and humidity right where you want them. It also includes special cable pass-throughs that don't allow any light leaks whatsoever. You might not find a grow tent anywhere that offers as much bang for buck as the Cloudlab 866. At number 3, we have the CoolGrows Mylar Grow Tent. CoolGrows offers one of the most comprehensive size selections available. They've got something for just about everyone's needs. That said, their biggest option might well be the best. At 96 by 48 by 80 inches, this large grow tent can handle as much growing as you can throw at it. With dual observation windows, a light-proof exterior, and easy access doors, you may not need another indoor gardening solution for years to come. At number 2, we have the Opulent Systems 2-in-1 Grow Tent. Opulent Systems may just offer the most adaptable tent setup you can buy right now. Their 2-in-1 Grow Tent offers a dual-tier compartment for growing seedlings, before moving them on to the larger part of the tent. It also uses highly reflective Mylar that's both waterproof and 98% lightproof. If you want a tent that allows you to go from seedling straight through to the harvesting stage, then this may be the best option for you. This tent truly exceeded my expectations. It was easier to put together than most IKEA furniture. The metal frame is strong and sturdy. You can hang a lot of stuff off the top and sides. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mars Hydro Grow Tent Kit. Perhaps no other grow tent offers as complete a starter kit as this one. From the easy-to-use thermostat to the upgraded ventilation system, the Mars Hydro is a great option for someone looking for a long-term, high-quality grow tent. It comes with a high-quality dimmable 3x3 grow light, a highly reflective hood, and a 4-inch carbon filter. While it's not the cheapest model available, it's well worth the extra money for this professional-grade investment. Some users found it tricky to assemble. They say it's a lot easier with 2 people. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.